Hello everyone, I'm Ethan. This is a short tutorial how to obtain a transfer token from Google. It is required due to new Google policy. If you want to buy new licenses from a reseller like us, you'll need to generate a token from your existing Google account. We'll enter this account to our reseller console and then we're able to support your account. The token generating procedure is very simple. It will take less than a minute. Please log in to your admin.google.com. After logging in, type admin.google.com/transfer token in the address bar. Please note that the token will expire within 14 days. Check terms and conditions, click Generate, copy the code, head to top right corner, click Gmail. After that, straight away send the email to us.